Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make a paint app in Scratch 3.0. So now let's get started. First we can draw all the sprites like the colors like red, yellow, green, purple, orange, black, white, etc. And the different tools like brush, pencil and eraser, and also the different buttons like erase all and the pencil, brush and the layout. So now we'll do the coding of the red color. So for the red color's coding, we'll go to events and take when this sprite is clicked. Then we'll take the block, broadcast a new message named red color. Now we'll drag it to the yellow color. We'll change the broadcast to a new message named yellow color. Now we'll drag it to the green color and change the broadcast to broadcast a new message named light green color. Okay. Now we'll do this for all the other sprites like dark green, pink, purple, orange, black, etc. So now we'll do the coding of the tool sprite. So for the tool sprite we'll take when the flag is clicked. After when the flag is clicked, we'll go to looks and take go to front layer. After that, take the block erase all. Then go to the pen section and take the color, set pen color to black, that means the default color. Then go to control section and take the block forever. Inside the forever block, go to motions and take go to mouse pointer, that means it will always follow the mouse pointer. After that, we'll take when the flag is clicked. Switch costume to brush and then go to events and take forever block. Then go to pen section and take set pen size to the variable pen size. Then take the if then block. If then block, we'll go to sensing and take the mouse down. If mouse down, then pen down, else pen up. Now take when I receive the red color. That means when this sprite receives red color, we'll go to pen section and set pen color to red from the stage. Then duplicate it and set pen color when I receive brown color and set pen color to brown. Duplicate it again and then when I receive light dark green color, set pen color to dark green. Now we'll do the coding for all the other colors like this. Now we'll do the coding of the eraser button. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast a new message named eraser button. Now go to tools and code for it like this. And then we'll do the coding of the paintbrush button. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast a new message named brush. Okay. Now drag it to the pencil button like this and then broadcast a new message named pencil. Now go back to the tools block and take when I receive blocks and duplicate it, and in the first when I receive block we'll take it as pencil and in the second one we'll take it as paintbrush. So when I receive pencil, we'll switch its costume to pencil, and when I receive brush, we'll duplicate it and switch its costume to brush. Now we'll do the coding of the erase all button. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast a new message named erase all. Okay. Now we'll do the coding for the erase all. When I receive erase all, we'll go to the pen section and take the eraser block. That means it will simply erase everything. Now we can test out our project. There are different colors and various buttons like the eraser button, the pencil button, the paintbrush button, and the eraser button. There is also a slider from which we can slide and choose the pen width. In the beginning of this video, I drew a snowman using this paint app only. You can draw such sceneries or objects or even write using this paint app. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, don't forget to put the notification bell on. Bye, meet you next time.